Right, so we want to add some applications now. So most people are going to be, if you click add applications, you're going to probably use the CRM, desk, mail. So these are probably, look, the first three that I get offered actually are the CRM, mail, desks. You might also want these. You can add things later really easily. So it's not, you don't need to worry about missing out anything here. Just maybe use the things that you're planning on using first, and then we'll go through adding stuff later, right? So I'm just going to add CRM, mail, and desk. Mail might be a bit funky. And it's going to add those to my account, right? So then we're going to go into a walkthrough of what happens. Welcome to Zoho 1. So one's comprehensive. Here's your list of applications over here. Obviously users, groups. So if you've got group areas like departments, so you might have HR or something like that, create email groups. Security, make sure your security priority, set security standards that fits your organization, so you can change the settings on how people log in and things like that. Some quick actions up the top, make it easier for you to perform certain tasks. Go to your applications, right? So we're going to now go to the applications we've just installed. Dashboard. Okay, didn't jump us there, but here we go. So here's the ones that have installed. And what we'll do is we'll do a quick walk around on there as well.